Whoever said nothing in life is free wasn't a smart shopper. There are tons of free events and some desserts.
Krispy Kreme is opening a new location in Phoenix on Bell near 36th Street, and they're celebrating with free donuts. The store opens on Tuesday, and the giveaways start at 5:30 in the morning. The first person in line gets free donuts each week for an entire year. The next 99 people in line gets free donuts every month for a year. They have lots of other goodies, so get in line early. And speaking of eating, how about only eating food that is locally grown? The Arizona Science Center and Chipotle are teaming up with a film and lecture series. On Saturday from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Arizona Science Center, they are showing a screening called Eating Alabama. It's about a family's quest to eat only locally grown and seasonal food. Maya from Maya's Farm will be there to answer questions. Also, the first 50 households to arrive will get a $20 gift card to Maya's Farm. From food to water. You ever think about what you could do with all the water we get when it rains? You'll get lots of ideas at the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area tomorrow because it's Dragonfly Day. The University of Arizona and the City of Phoenix is celebrating water from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. tomorrow. They will talk about how you can reuse water. There will be wetland walks, wildlife demonstrations, and even scavenger hunts and face painting.
Have a great weekend. The weather is going to be spectacular, and that's free too. I'll have all the details of the freebies that I mentioned posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.